Yeah, hi guys, welcome to this short video about the huge price drop in GoPro Hero Black cameras. I usually have stopped to make price drop videos because they are not worth it. Usually not many people are watching that, but I couldn't resist because this is absolutely crazy. This is insane. This is more like Black Friday and Christmas and everything together. This GoPro Hero 7 Black, which just was around $320 or $330 just a couple of days ago, it dropped like a rock to $228. So that's actually almost a $100 drop. That's even much more than what they state here, and I can show you the proof here. And yeah, you can see it was definitely way above $300. I mean, it had dropped sometimes to 300, and I think it was maybe on Black Friday a little bit below, but definitely never to $229. I don't know if this is something like permanent or they just trying for a couple of days. I've really no clue. I mean, this could be just for a couple of hours or maybe days or even permanent. I have really no clue. But if you are looking into something like that, maybe you already got the Trump check or whatsoever, 228. That's absolutely insane. And it's not only the GoPro Hero 7 Black, it's also the 8 Black, which is really interesting at the moment. That's the price of the 8, yeah, Hero 8 Black. And you can see it dropped from $399.99 to $299 as well, $100 straight down. And you can see that also here came really straight down from 400. I mean, it has been, yeah, a couple of times at around, I would say 350 or so, but never 299. This is absolutely crazy and definitely a huge reason to buy. What I would highly recommend to stay away from all the silver, the GoPro Hero silver editions or the white editions. Yeah, if you want to buy something, then only the black I can highly recommend because of the resolution and waterproof and everything. I mean, stabilization whatsoever. I mean, the black has always been the best one, and it can be a huge difference. So stay away from silver and white. I would only go with the Hero 7 or 8 Black. The 8 is the latest edition, but between 7 and 8 there's only minimal difference. So if you want to save a lot of money, I would say that go definitely with the Hero 7. If you want to have the latest model, go with the 8. Yeah, and of course there's also another GoPro, that's the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Some people might be tempted to buy now the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Looks like that it has been reduced from 250 to 150, but that's actually not true. It is since quite some time already down to 150, so it's actually nothing special at the moment. Of course, it's a little bit cheaper than the 7, but I would actually not look into the Hero 5 because it was the first with a new case and they had a lot of problems with the waterproof case. So some people have been complaining about that it was leaking and so on. So I would definitely try to stay away from the Hero 5 Black. There's just one thing, and I wanted to also let you know about that. I mean, my videos are always as honest as it gets, and of course GoPro, we all know that GoPro is struggling, or they have been struggling in the last couple of years already. They had to get some money from other companies. They've been lending money, and of course they have already been struggling. And during coronavirus, of course, I mean, almost nobody is buying GoPros when we cannot go out, and there's a lot of lockdown and and it doesn't make sense to buy a lot of GoPro cameras unless you have a large pool and you want to make some nice shots in your pool. But apart from that, yeah, not many people probably are buying GoPros at the moment, and they're definitely struggling. And I cannot give you any kind of warranty that they will be around for the whole year. I mean, when you buy it, you have probably, I think it's 1 year warranty. And if they go out of business, I don't know how it will look with the warranty. I mean, I'm not expecting that they will announce bankruptcy like in the next couple of weeks or so, but it could be in 2020. I mean, it could be in 2025. We never know. But there's always a chance, because they have really been struggling already before. But still, I mean, I bought mine, that was, I think, 1.5 years ago. And if you care a little bit with the camera, I mean, they are pretty robust, and if you are a little bit careful with them, I think they can last for a couple of years without any warranty cases or so. They are really made really robust, and even they should be able to take a couple of hits. I mean, I would definitely buy like cases around. I'm always using cases. I have a really soft rubber case for the beach. I have my case for the bike, my mounts, everything. So usually it's pretty safe. I never had any drops, and I heard usually it can take quite some hits, but of course not everything. But if you're a little bit careful, I think there's not much to worry about, and maybe there's even like a program that they cover warranty even after the core business goes out of business. So there's also a chance, I mean, they have been discussing about that, there's also a chance that another company could buy the GoPro, and I would not be surprised if like company like Apple would take the opportunity to buy GoPro super cheap at the moment, because that's probably a huge opportunity to buy it super cheap. And we all know that Apple still has a lot of money on the side, and they could buy it before breakfast. I mean, they don't even have to think about that. So, and there has always been a good connection between, I think, GoPro and Apple. A lot of Apple users have been using GoPro, and yeah, I wouldn't be too worried about that, but of course there's something to think about. So I will definitely put down both of the links for the GoPro Hero 7 Black and for the GoPro Hero 8 Black into the description, so you can check them out on Amazon and buy them right away from here if you like them. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.